In this session, let us learn about Python MySQL create database. Creating a database. To create a database in MySQL, use a create database statement. Create a database named myDatabase. See the example. Import MySQL connector. See myDB is equal to MySQL connector.connect. Host, localhost, username, your password. See here create database myDatabase. By executing this, the result returns this. If this page is executed with no error, you have successfully created database. If the above code was executed with no error, you have successfully created a database. Check if database exists. You can check if a database exists by listing all database in your system by using the show databases statement. Example, see here, return a list of your system's database. See host, localhost, username, user password. See show databases. By writing and executing this code, see the result, the entire database was showing. Or you can try to assess the database when making the connection. Try connecting to the database myDatabase. See here database myDatabase. By executing this, the result returns this. This page is executed with no error. The database myDatabase exists in your system. If the database does not exist, you will get an error. Okay friends, this is the end of part 2 Python MySQL create database. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Python MySQL create table. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.